everybody, I'm USA Today's best-selling author, Hildie McQueen, and today I'm going to tell you guys about my sticker collection. So I am so excited about how I organize my stickers, and you guys won't believe how compact it all turned out. I can't believe how compact it all turned out. I had stickers in drawers, had all these sticker pages, I had the big binders that I had showed you guys before, I had little tiny photo like albums that had other stickers, and I ended up not using hardly any of them because I didn't know where anything was, and pulling things here and there kind of was a pain in the butt. So besides the me and my big ideas happy planner sticker books that I will insert at the end, how those are organized, they're just all on top of my cart. I didn't know how else to organize all my other loose stickers so that I could find them. So then I decided, put them in a one album. Put them in one album. So I had started with sometime last year, any extras that I had from kids and stuff like that, I was consolidating them into one of these books where I could just put all the extras. And then I thought, I can just go to, when I go to a meetup, because we weren't having meetups all for an entire year or whatever, I can just do this as a giveaway or a prize or something. Maybe somebody will go through it and want to use some of the stuff. And so since I was putting all this together, I thought, oh, okay, whatever, it's just something to have. Well, I thought, well, maybe I can organize all my other stickers in that same way. So I went to Amazon and I ordered a pack of these 5x7 sticker pages. And you get a pack of 100. I think they were like $20, or maybe $13. It was somewhere between $15 and $20, which I didn't think was bad. Then I cut down an old Erin Condren cover and rounded the top corners, because these corners were already rounded, or rounded the outside corners. And just cut it so my name was showing, and it would be a cute little cover. I got these discs from an Etsy shop, I think. No, I bought them at Tuesday Morning. I thought they were pretty, and I put it together. So this is what I did. I consolidated all my stickers in here, you guys. All of them. It is quite thick, so you can see. And maybe I can show you how thick it is. Let's see, I think it's about an inch. It is, if I let it loose like that, it's almost 1.5 inches thick. No, put it where you can see it. Yeah, if I leave it loose, it's 1.5 inches. And so then I kind of organized them by type. So in the very, very front, what I have is this plan-to-plan sticker co. And these kind of lent themselves to be punched. So I decided not to take these off and put them on separate sheets because they lent themselves to be punched. And these are almost all my little dog stickers. So I put them in the very front. Then I have one sheet here that just has miscellaneous stuff that I like, but it doesn't really fit anywhere, so I put it in the very front. These are from River and Ink, and I just thought they were really cute. I didn't want to get rid of them, and I really like them, so. All right, then this is another blank page for whenever some more stuff comes up that I want to put in here. I have extra pages. I started off with birthdays, and then I went to cars. It doesn't really make super sense, but after a while, I'll memorize where everything is. Okay, so it goes to cars, which is kind of travel-y. Then it goes to traveling. So I have a bunch of all my suitcases. There's more cars, more suitcases, and here's some girls that are traveling, one with a map and stuff like that. This sleep-in stickers, I don't know why they're here, but it was, I couldn't figure out where to put them, and I put them here. Now I have an idea where they should go, but you know what, whatever. More travel. Here's her in an airplane. More travel. Airplanes and cars. Travel. Then I go to home. These are stay at home or houses, and so that's what these are. Then I go to like Netflix and television. So here is TVs, Netflix, more televisions, and more Netflix. Then I go to walking. So all these little sneakers. More sneakers, and then her kind of running or walking. I don't know. She's in a hurry. I don't know where she's going. Sorry. Okay, so then we continue from that to YouTube. So 2 pages of YouTube. Then I have telephones. Why I have this many telephones, I don't know. I think telephones are cute. So I have a lot of telephones, and I guess I'll use them to mark conversations, more telephones, a few cell phones, some little phone call icons. Then we go to computers, or work stuff, I guess. So here she is on a computer, computers, and more computers, and this is like a workspace, desk, more of that. This is kind of like Zoom call stuff, somebody sleeping at their computer. I do that sometimes when I'm tired. I just realized that I put 2 stickers on top of each other here. Oh no, I wonder if they're stuck together forever now. Oh no. Yep, they're done for. So the one on top survives, the one on the bottom doesn't. That was silly. I must have been... This took me about, I want to say, 2 weeks over time. Just doing it while I'm watching television. Alright, girl working on her computer from bed, which I never do. I don't know why I bought those. Okay, girls at a meeting, another girl. This one, at least she's on a couch with her, no, she's also in bed. She's got a pillow and computer. Maybe if I decide to stay in bed and compute one day, I don't know. Computer, some more girl. This one is in her pajamas on the computer. And it continues on with the computers. And then I go to typewriters. Of course, I love typewriters. I think they're so cute. And then from there, I go to sayings, which are, you know, snarky or whatever. These are from Bujo Guru, and these are from River and Ink, and I put the shops there because I want to remember where these are from. Then I go to books. More books. Oh, and this is book club. And then pencils. And because that kind of segues into books and reading and pens and stuff like that, I guess. I don't know. Pens, planner stuff. So these are all planners. Planner cup, you know, the cups that all planners like to have. More pencil cups. A planner cart. A planner flat lay. That's super cute. See, I'm going to hate that. The only thing I'm going to hate is that I don't know where these are from. And then I'll be like, oh no, where did I get those? They're so cute. I know these are pumpkin paper. Everything on this page is pumpkin paper. And these are probably paper shire. These are really pretty. These are shelves with planners or books. And more planners. And here she is signing, writing or signing, or I don't know what she's doing. Writing maybe. More planning. Then I go into, I'm just kidding, Bible study, churches, and more churches. I actually think I need more churches. Here she is holding a Bible, more churches, churches. I can fill this up with more cute churches. I want to find some cute churches. I like these. I think these are really cute. These are super cute. These are probably my favorite because they're simple. I wish she had them in the colors too, not just black and white. My hubby's shop Inco made these churches, so they're cute. These are kind of cute, but they're so big. And then these are from, what is her name? Happy something. No, Kawaii Co. Sweet Kawaii. Alright, then I have Lola stickers, which I never found out where these are from because they sent the sticker sheets without a shop logo on there, and so I'm almost out of them and I can't remember. I've searched for them. So if you know where I can get some more that look just like this, let me know. Dog food, walking the dog, I need to get more of those. Doctor's appointments, and then more planner stuff. I don't know why it goes from doctor's appointment to more planner stuff, but whatever. Flat irons, coloring hair appointment stuff, nails, masks, nails, doing the burrito thing, hanging out by yourself and wrapped in a blanket with your eyes staring at the wall. That could be an anxiety attack. This is date night stickers. More date night and more date nights. And these are so cute. I think I really like these. These are cute. I think it's from Planning Like a Pro, maybe. I think she makes these. I'm not sure. And these are Fox and Pip. That's 2 Uli plans. Then I'm drinking wine here. Well, coffee, wine. Tired, so I think I'm drinking 2 cups of coffee at the same time there. These are super cute too. Miss Moss. These are like wine and moped, which you should never do at the same time. These are little Miss Moss faces making faces. There's hopefully me doing exercises, which I do. I don't do sit-ups or leg lifts, but I do like stretches and leg things outside in the backyard. This is a girl with a mask, which we may not be wearing after a while soon, I hope. Alright, here's a crafty girl, some sleep mask and candles, and then these are super cute. Tickled Pink does these. You can get them in different colors. Just girls at random girls doing stuff. I think she's planning maybe, and that's from Sugary Gal. Alright, and then we have groceries. So grocery shopping, shopping in general, decluttering, box deliveries, shopping. This is the part, vacuuming, laundry, cleaning, laundry. Oh, I just unstuck something. So in case you were wondering if they come off easy, they kind of do. So it's kind of reassuring. More laundry. If there's one chore I do a lot is laundry, so that's why I have a lot of laundry stickers. Oh, I have beds. And I think this has a little heart, so I don't know if it's supposed to mean you're doing something in bed. To me, the heart means you've got clean linens. Cleaning, more laundry. I should move this one over to where, well, this is more laundry too. I don't know. Did I just, who cares? All right, and then taking out the trash and wrapping Christmas presents also, although that shouldn't be a chore, but to me it kind of can be at times. Then we go into coffee and tea. So girl with Starbucks. Here we go, coffee. Girls drinking, margarita, why not? Pretty, all kinds of pretty coffee stuff. Clever Gal Crafts makes these, and you can get them with your name on them. I think they're super cute. I need to order more. And there we go, more. Maybe it's banana doodles. Oh, the Crafty Banana. That's who makes these. Not Clever Gal. The Crafty Banana makes those cups that are personalized. More coffee cups. Then we go into other beverages like boba, sweet tea, beer, margaritas, LaCroix. These are super cute. They're from Fox and Pip. Wine. Then we go back to tea and cups and tea and cups. I guess I have as many stickers for cup. I collect cups, which makes sense why I love these stickers. Okay, now we're into stuff like lunch and dinner. The lunch date stickers, eating out, eat out, cups, dinner out, takeout, food prep, making a blender juice, cooking out, making some cookies or baking, Chick-fil-A, pizza, tacos. This is Mexican food. Then this is fast food. And then this is noodle bowls. And then sushi, breakfast, soup, and spaghetti. Happy Daya. I think these are all from Happy Daya, except for maybe... These are not, but I don't remember who they're from. The sushi. This is super cute Pumpkin Paper Co. And she's eating soup and she's eating spaghetti and just noodles and stuff like that. And that is the whole book. These are all my stickers, so I can kind of leaf through them and find what I want, hopefully pretty quickly. Since I did this, though, y'all, I have been using them. Alright, so what about the rest of the stickers, you may ask? Well, everything else I own is in this little, oopsie. That's about as far as it'll stretch. In this little container. That's every other sticker that I own. So, let me show you how I did it. So, first of all, I have these sticker books. And each of them, hubby helped me to put a vinyl on here to show what it is. So the first one is Sugar Gal Shop, and so her stickers are in here. The second one is, and I also have this little tiny, what do you call this? Photo album, I guess, super tiny. And it has a Sugary Elk Craft and other little stickers that are tiny from the My Fassy shop. They send really tiny stickers. And I just keep them in this little album because I think they're little cute tiny stickers, and I will be honest with you, I hardly ever get this album out. But it's cute, so I keep it. It makes sense, doesn't it? Alright, the next one is this pretty flowery one, and these albums are from, oh gosh, what is her name? Oh, Simply Gilded. Simply Gilded. I bought them at a buy sell trade group. These are all script stickers. If you guys don't know Tipsy Dog Designs, she makes the funniest things. I mean, I have to read some of these to you. Let's see. Stuck between IDK, IDC, and IDGAF. Time to switch from my everyday anxiety to my festive holiday anxiety. Dumpster fire. And there's one that makes me laugh. I just rolled my eyes so hard I checked out my own ass. I hate all my feelings today. Even my drink needs a drink. She just makes some funny ones. Oh, look at this one. Well, well, shoot, I mess this up all the time. Well, if it isn't the consequences of my own actions. Oops, I bought shit again. I just love her stuff. It makes me laugh. Okay, the next one is paper dolls. And paper dolls stickers I buy because I love them. Do I use them? No. I like to look at them. They're just cute. So it's more of a collection thing for me with paper dolls. I used one. Look, I just find them cute. And I like to look at them. So I may or may not use them because I just like to have them. And so I have a sticker full of paper dolls. Sticker sheets. Paper dolls. The next one is, oops, Once More with Love. And, oh gosh, I love Once More with Love. I think it's so cute. And the fact that this girl started her shop when she was like 14 is just amazing. So anyway, I still have room to buy more. So I just bought these. Oh, look at these right here. This is a Gilmore Girls set. This one is the Influential Women, but I just think her little emojis are so cute. So that's Once More with Love in this one. And last but not least, I have one with all my foil stickers, and this one has, yeah, just foils, different foil stickers, and they just range from swirls to actual icons to headers to overlays to words, and it's all foiled, and they're all together nice and pretty. So other than that, I just have one more, and this one has just miscellaneous. I think it's mostly Procrastiplanner, which she makes stickers for authors, and so I love her stickers and I use them quite a bit. So if you're a writer, you want to check her out, I will put her link down below for Procrastiplanner. Love her stickers and I use them all the time. So that's about it. That's how I organized all my stickers in one place. And if I wanted to, actually I could stick this guy here too. I think he'll fit. He's like, whatever lady, I ain't gonna fit. Yeah, there we go. All of them fit in one place. So this is the one little basket that I can take with me, and I'll have everything that I own. Oh shoot, I forgot one thing. Oh my gosh, this guy. How can I forget? This is from Sticker Guru, and it is an album, and I got this to put all my kits in. So this is where my kits are. You know, my weekly kits for my vertical EC or vertical planner A5. This is where I keep all my kits. So it's not, you know, they fit pretty snugly at times, but at least I have them all in one place, and I can kind of skim through them and say, well, what do I want to do for, I don't know, if I'm in the mood for something green, I can kind of scan and say, oh, here we go, there's one from Bensco, and it's got a lot of green, I'll use this one. So that is how this works too. So now you guys have seen all my stickers. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!